This is a presentation on how to find the right college for you when you are a high school student completing your college applications. Some of the most important things to consider before you choose the school that's right for you. So here we just have some facts and just some general statements about college. Just some basic things to consider is cost, location, and the programming that your college offers. Three essential things you should be researching when you're looking for a college. So here's a little display of what the ideal fit should entail. So you have your costs, your distance from home, the size, the atmosphere, the academics in general. I mean, that's the main reason you're going to college, and the location. So the main thing that people consider when they're going to college is definitely tuition cost. So here we have a little pie graph on how students these days are paying for their college. Student loans, scholarship, parents, personal savings. Maybe community college would be a better fit for you if you can't afford the more expensive private institutions. Here we have programming, so these are regarding your education specifically, your major, your minor, consider what your interests are when you're in high school, when picking what you want to major in for the rest of your life, basically. Make sure you're using your talents to enhance your desired major. And look at statistics for the programming. If you want to be a lawyer, maybe attend a school that has a high retention rate for law students. So another important aspect of choosing the right college is location. So if you are somebody who gets homesick frequently, maybe don't look at out-of-state schools. Commuting versus dorming. Do you plan living there? Do you plan on driving there? Activities in the area you would enjoy. If you're not into big crazy city life, then maybe you should look more into a maybe suburban school or more like not in the city. And to conclude, there are a lot of resources that you can be looking at and examining for college, such as the college board. You can be reaching out to your guidance counselors. Make sure you're weighing out the pros and cons of each school. And college should be enjoyable, so doing the research may be stressful, but it should still be an enjoyable process because you are excited to start the rest of your life. Thank you.